Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create your own account on HubSpot, so let's get right into it. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and log out of my account for now, just to show you guys how that process goes. Now, if we go into the HubSpot main page, as you can see, this is what it looks like. You can get a demo if you want, or you can get started for free and have a free plan active, which does limit your options, but it is good to test out everything before you actually commit to HubSpot as a service. Now, we can click get started for free, and here you can create an account with your email address or sign up with Microsoft, Apple, or Google. And as you can see, I'm signed up to one of my emails. However, I'll change it and log in through Google. So let's just go ahead and do this. Click continue. And now, as you can see, we have a questionnaire that we should fill out. This will, help you set up your account faster and more optimally. So, have I used software to manage or engage with customers before? Yes. Which problems I want to solve? Yes. And what industry I'm in? I'll check off education. I'll check off employee, company name. I'll just name it test 1. And I'll just select it just me. Company website is going to be test1.com. And it should allow me to create an account now. And as you can see, now it is setting up your account. And as you can see, you can choose a template to get started faster. For example, I'll select automate marketing, or rather, I'll just scale customer support and apply the template. And that's pretty much just going to allow you to, use a template which will set up your HubSpot for the purpose that fits you best. Now, I'll just skip all these steps. And now, once we've done that, we're waiting for it to set up our account. And once it does, it'll just take us to the dashboard. And once that's finished, we can start using HubSpot. And that is basically it, as you can see. That's pretty much it. As I mentioned, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.